Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix if tap to load on Snapchat is not working. Now tap to load is an option where sometimes you tap on the picture or video to look at it and it's not working. It's probably due to couple of reasons. First reason is make sure your internet connection is stable. If you have poor connection, then it might be an issue. Make sure always connect to a better internet or switch to your mobile data. The next thing you can do is resetting your app. Go to your settings, scroll down and tap on apps. You again need to tap on all apps. On the search bar, click over there and search Snapchat. When you get access to Snapchat info, tap on storage and cache. After that, you need to tap on clear storage. Then tap on clear storage. It will basically reset your app and remove all the box from the app. After that, tap to load on Snapchat will start working. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.